Hello and welcome to Sociology 436, Globalization and Social Change. I'm your instructor, Dr. Lada Murti. Please do call me Dr. Lada or Dr. Murti as you're taking this course. The purpose of this video lecture is to introduce you to the course, to tell you a little bit about what the next 8 weeks will entail. In this series of videos, I assume I will need to make more than one to cover all the material. I'm going to go over what is under the Start Here, the course information, and the Week 1 buttons in the online shell of the course. And that should give you a good idea of what we will be doing in this course. If you'd like to know more about me as an instructor, you can go under course information and see my picture and a little bio about me. We'll look at that in a minute. But to begin, I want to start where it says Start Here. If you're quite familiar with Brandman's courses, especially online, you may not need to go to the Start Here button, or you may know already everything that's under that button. But just in case, I want to show you what's there. Here's a Getting Started item, which allows you to take a Blackboard tutorial. If you're not familiar with Blackboard at all, or even if you need a refresher, this is a great thing to do. Take the Blackboard tutorial. It is in Adobe Connect, which is the virtual meeting software that we use at Brandman. And if you go in there, you can click on these various PDFs and play the various tutorials. I've only taken a quick look at them myself, so if you're having trouble with them, let me know. I could take a closer look and try to help you. Or the Center for Instructional Innovation or Blackboard Help at Brandman are also available to help you with these Blackboard tutorials. All right, let's get back to Blackboard. Using the back button, if it will let me. Okay, let's just go back to courses. Of course, you're seeing my view of Blackboard, the instructor's view. Yours will look a little bit different in certain parts. Okay. There's also a welcome to Blackboard. Academic integrity is something Brandman takes very seriously, especially when it comes to plagiarism. This section here talks about that and how there is a Turnitin upload link. Turnitin is a web-based program that checks for plagiarism in papers. In other words, it checks to make sure that your papers are in your own words and original, and that you are not copying from other published sources or even from unpublished sources. The Turnitin link in this academic integrity folder is just a test link. I can run any of your assignments at any time through Turnitin using this link to check to make sure that your work is not plagiarized. But otherwise, you should not use the Turnitin link in this folder. That's only for me, the instructor. And you will submit your signature assignments in week 8 through Turnitin, and we will discuss that more in a moment in this series of online video lectures. But that's academic integrity. Also, as you may know, hopefully, we have an online writing community here at Brandman. It is a virtual writing help center, a writing tutoring center, and you can take advantage of that at any time in the course. You may not have access to all of their services. It depends on the course you are in. whether you can do face-to-face Adobe Connect meetings with the tutors or not, but all students are able to submit their papers for editing in track changes mode and for comments from the writing tutors. So I highly recommend this service. It's a great service we have here at Brandman. All of us, myself included, could always improve our writing, could always use a fresh pair of eyes to look at our writing and give us advice on improvements we can make. So that's what the online writing community is here for, and please do take advantage of it. The links to it are here, and you can click on there and it takes you right to where you need to go. And also a video from the director, Michelle Rosencito, who's really great. Also, if you have any questions about online netiquette, especially in a course like this one, which is completely online and in which you will be communicating with all of your classmates and with me, your instructor, almost completely online through email and through Blackboard discussion boards. And so, of course, communicating online is a little bit different than communicating face-to-face. So you may want to check out this video on online etiquette, how to communicate online without offending, in other words. Also, be sure you are always using Firefox to access Blackboard and any online material in this course or any Brandman courses. If you don't have Firefox, you can use this link to download it. If you're having any technology issues, please don't contact me. I likely won't have the answer if it's a purely technological issue, but you have the numbers here for the Brandman Service Desk and for the Blackboard help staff, who are all great, and so I suggest you take advantage of this information and contact them if you're having any technological issues. If you have tried contacting people at these numbers and email addresses and no one gets back to you in a timely manner, let me know, and then I will try contacting someone at these numbers or at this email address, and sometimes they get back to faculty a little faster than they get back to students, so I may be able to do that for you, but always initiate the contact with them yourself first, because I likely don't have the answer. If you want to take advantage of any of our disability services, which are really building up this academic year, please check out this link on the disability services available to you, and don't hesitate to check it out. At Brandman, we are committed to helping you succeed. And so if you need some accommodations to succeed in our courses, check out the Disability Services webpage and you can find out how you can ask for those accommodations and legally be entitled to them. Academic and student services, check out what academic resources Brandman has. All the online services now available to you through My Brandman. There they are. Okay. And here is a list, a wonderful list of links that can help you in all your courses at Brandman, especially our School of Arts and Sciences courses, and particularly your sociology courses like this one. Most of these courses require that you cite sources in APA style, and all of these links help you with APA style. I strongly recommend this one, the Purdue OWL site. It's the one that I recommend in all of my courses for APA style. It's a really thorough website that gives you examples of proper APA style, and it's a great resource. I'm not familiar with reference point software or these other sources, but it's worth checking out, especially if you're not that familiar with APA style, which is something else we can all improve on. I'm going to stop here with this video and move on and make another video about what's under the course information tab, and then likely a third video about what is under the week 1 tab. So see you in a minute. Thanks. Bye.